Are you a tech founder? Need help deciphering the techie buzzwords? This program aims to demystify tech jargon and aims to help you make informed decisions for your products or services. It will be facilitated by Rose, Audrey, Andrea, Michael, and Vicky from Coding Grace with experiences in the startup and tech industry. From hiring tech talent to negotiations to working with the very tools that your startup might be using. You will participate in small, engaging, and interactive sessions, which include cloud providers, DNS, credential management, and source control. This short program will help arm you with foundational knowledge so you won't get all boggled when hiring or talking to techies about your ideas or product. Want to know more? Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified of our upcoming videos. And you can also find us at codinggrace.com, follow us on Twitter, and you can also sign up to our newsletter.